Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set Google as your default search engine in your Microsoft Edge browser. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed with the button search bar and type for Edge. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match should appear, which is the Microsoft Edge app, and click on open once it's there. Once you have bring up the Microsoft Edge browser, please proceed with the upper right side of that. You can see a box there. Click on it to maximize that. And once you have set it into full screen mode, you need to navigate to the upper right side of again, but this time on you need to click on the three dots to see settings and more. So once you have opened this left side window, you need to proceed with the settings, which has this gear icon to navigate to the Edge settings. So here with the Edge settings, look at the left side of that. You can see there are a list of the options. And since we're dealing with the Google as our default search engine, then we need to proceed with this one, which is privacy, search, and services. So click on it. And the moment you do that, you would be able to open the privacy and search and services tab, where here you need to locate for this one, which is search and connected experiences, where you can manage Edge search, connected experiences, and services. So click on it. And under here, you need to locate for address bar and search, where you can see search suggestions and search engine options. So click on it. And the moment you click on it, you would be able to see three options, which are search engine used in the address bar, manage search engines, and search suggestions and filters. So proceed with manage search engines, click the forward arrow, and right here, you need to locate for Google. So aligning to it, you can see there are three dots. Click on it and go with make default. Once you have set it, it will mark blocked here, meaning that you have successfully set it as your address bar search engine, click this backward arrow and proceed with search engine used in the address bar. Click the forward arrow and go with Google. Once you are done, you have just successfully set the Google as your default search engine in your Microsoft Edge. So if you will navigate to the upper left side of that, you can see there a plus icon. Click on it to create a new tab. And if you will try to search for Pinterest, for example, click on enter, you would be able to see that the Google is being set as the search engine here in our Microsoft Edge. And if you would look for the address link at the address bar, you would be able to see there www.google.com, meaning that you have set it as your search engine. And if you would look at the new tab there, you can see there an icon, which is the Google icon, meaning that you have successfully set it as your default search engine in your Microsoft Edge. Okay? Once you're good, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.